Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Merced. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make your subscribers count private or how you can hide your total number of subscribers. Personally, I don't want to do this, or I don't recommend doing this, and I don't do this to my channel because I feel like there's no really benefit of doing it. I feel like no matter how small your number of subscribers count is or how big it is, you should be proud of yourself. You should be proud of showing it to the public. We all know that we all started with 0 subscribers, and we should be proud of our growth. Our subscribers are part of our journey, so we should be proud of showing them to the public. But if for some reason you really want to do this to hide your subscribers count, then that is your personal choice, and as I've said, I'm here to teach you on how to do this. So now I'm going to show you the comparison if you are going to show your subscribers count or to hide it. So let me go to my other YouTube channel. So this one, I have made my subscription count or subscribers count public, so you can see this one here that is visible to the public, while on my other channel, this one, you cannot see the total number of subscribers. So how are you going to do that one? Alright, so to do that, you first have to go to youtube.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you click on your channel icon, which is located on the topmost right hand side of your screen, and click YouTube Studio. So now this is your channel dashboard. But before we start the process, let me just show you first on how my channel looks like. So if I click your channel, that is my channel. So if you can see here, my total number of subscribers is being displayed, which is 46. So later on, after the process, you will see that that number won't be visible to the public anymore. So let's get back to my channel dashboard. So once you are on your channel dashboard, on the left hand side at the bottom part of your screen, click settings and click channel. Then you click advanced settings and you scroll down, and if you can see right here, says subscriber count. So if we are going to untick the box, that will hide the number of people subscribed to your channel. So because that's ticked, well, you've seen earlier my subscribers count is being displayed. But now let me untick the box and click save. So it says here settings save. So let me just click on my channel again, and there you go. If you can see, my number of subscribers is not displayed anymore under my channel name, so it's being hidden. So there you go. That's how you hide your subscribers count. That's how you make your total number of subscribers private. Again, I don't recommend doing this, but if you have to do it, there you go. That's the steps, or those are the steps that you have to do. Well, please let me know as to what are your reasons why do you have to hide your subscribers count. Alright guys, so if you have learned something from this video, please give this video a like, Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if there is any other questions, topic that you want me to cover, you want me to make a tutorial with, then just leave a comment down below and I'd be happy to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video.